datang di dalam ibadah syukur ulang tahun Ibu Melly Dokumentara itu, dan juga ulang tahun perkawinan dari Bapak Rudy Dokumentasi dan Ibu Melly itu. Kita akan memulai ibadah.
And there's one more voice from my past. We fell in love, but it didn't last. 'Cause the second I figure it out, it pushes me away. And I won't fight for love if you won't meet me halfway. And I say that I'm through, but this song's still for you. All I want is love that lasts. When too much to ask.
Thanking him for many more years to come. Amen. Happy birthday to my mom. Happy wedding anniversary to my parents. May God bless both of you, and may God bless us all. Amen.